Morning everyone. The topic that we are going to discuss now is about constants and variables. So constant, it is also an identifier, but it does not changes its value. Constant does not change its value, hence it is named as constant. And then in Java, the keyword that we use to denote that an identifier is a constant is final. So here we use the keyword final to tell that it is a constant. So if you see in this example, the identifier name here, it is pi, and we have assigned the value as 3.14, and we have mentioned the data type as float. Since we have given it as final, which means we cannot change this value during the entire program execution. So whichever value we feel that should not be changed, we can declare it as constant by using the keyword final. The next topic is variables. So variables is opposite to the constant. Variable can change its value. So here we are going to see how to declare a variable. So if you see here, to declare a variable, the syntax is data type followed by variable name. So the data type topic, we will be looking into the data type topic in the forthcoming sessions. Now just remember to declare a variable, the syntax is data type followed by variable name. So the data type can be int, float, or double, and then any user defined identifier name. So here variable name, any user defined variable name. Here roll number and my GPA are the variables. So this is how we can declare a variable. We can also do multiple variable declarations like this. So in one line, we have declared 3 variables, side A, side B, and side C, which is of double data type. This is also possible. And then we can assign a value to a variable. It can be done either in 2 steps like this, declaration in the first step and then assignment in the second step, or even it can be done in the single line. It is not that we can assign only a value to a variable. We can assign an expression also to a variable like this. Here we have assigned the expression 1.0 plus 2.25, the variable my GPA. We can assign a value as well as we can assign an expression to a variable. So here we have done both. We have done declaration and initialization in 2 lines. We have declared X as integer data type in the first line, and in the second line we have assigned the value 3. We can do it as a 2-step process, or even we can do it in a single step. So like this, here we have done the declaration and initialization in a single line. Here double is the data type followed by the variable name. The variable name here we have used is my GPA, and we have assigned the value, some float value here, and we have done the both declaration as well as initialization in the same line. So in this video, we have seen about constant and variable. Constant is an identifier whose value cannot be changed. Variable is also an identifier whose value can be changed. Thank you.